Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got inspired by Young Lee. When somebody inspires me, I like to mention them, mention their channel. Yeah, that's just the way I am. If you don't know her, her channel is under my featured channel on my home page. And she was playing with glitters, so I thought I newly bought some glitters, and yeah, she inspired me to make something with my glitters also. So what I bought newly was this from Moyra. It's called Stardust Gold. Um, yes, I don't know the number, but I've never used it, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I will also be using another new item that I bought, and this is from Cirque, I think you say. Cirque Colors. It's called Taboo, and this polish is also new. I haven't used it yet, so I'm looking forward to applying this. I also have a new stamper from Moyou that I'm gonna use, and I will be making a gradient with this polish. This is not any known brand. This is just a polish I bought in Thailand. It's just to make a little bit, yeah, make a little bit of a shade. The stamping plate, I will be using Pueen number 114. It looks like this. This is also new. I have never used it. So the glitter, the stardust, I will be applying it with this brush. This is from W7. It's kind of brush like this. And I will also be using a normal fan brush. And that's about it. So on my nails I got a normal base coat on, W7. And let's start. I think one layer will be enough because this is really opaque. Really expensive but beautiful polish. It applies really well. So look at that. Doesn't need 2 coats at all. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the gradient. And this is this is a picture of the Cirque, or how you pronounce it, outside in the sun. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm using a makeup sponge. And I'm not gonna apply so much, just little bit. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my plate and Moyra foil polish in black. Just gonna shake it. And my new Moyou stamper. And I'm gonna stamp and then quickly get my powder and then with the brush go over it like this. And then take the fan brush and dust it off. I'm just gonna go over to the sink and do it, and then I'll show you. So it looks like this. I'll show you one more time. You have to be pretty fast. And where's my fan? Maybe I can show you here. So it looks like this. And what you do after, I'm just gonna show you now. I'm gonna use Moyra top coat. This is a stamping top coat. You see stamping? And then apply your Moyra top coat, or if you have another top coat you want to use. Like so. Now I will continue and then I'll show you some swatch some swatch photos. So this is how my nails look now. I hope you like them. If you like them, hit the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe for more nail videos if you love nail art. And if you have any questions about today's video, you can post them in the comments. Yeah, and remember, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I wish you good luck today. Bye. See you next time.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard? Cause I just gave up. Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much?